Hi guys, if you stopped receiving letters in your Gmail inbox, here are a few ideas on how to fix it. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. First of all, I recommend you to check your spam folder because sometimes important letters end up in spam, so click on More, find the spam folder and look for important letters here. Next, go to Settings, this gear icon, see All Settings, and switch to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Maybe you need to disable some filters or unblock some senders to receive emails from them. Next, switch to Forwarding tab and check if you forwarding some messages and deleting Gmail's copy. Switch this option to keep Gmail's copy in the inbox or disable forwarding. Also, scroll down to IMAP access and try to turn on this feature, Auto Expunge On. Immediately update the server. So turn on this feature and save your changes. Don't forget to click on this button. Space at the bottom of your inbox or any folder over here, so maybe you just need to delete some Google Drive files or large letters with large attachments, or click on this link and buy more space from Google. And of course, I recommend you always keep your system, your browsers, your drivers updated to make sure everything goes fine. I hope this was helpful, guys. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome.